Hi, and welcome to InjuryGuru.com. I'm Carla Schimmelfennig, registered physical therapist, and this is the exercise number 4 in the wrist program number 2. For this exercise, I'm going to actually show you two different exercises, but they're very similar. So it is called pronation and supination. Now, pronation simply means turning your palm down. Supination means turning your palm up. That's all that means. You don't have to remember the name or worry about a name. You just need to do the exercise like I'm doing it. I want you to sit in that position that I tend to like. I think is easy to perform these exercises. So cross one arm over the other. And for this exercise, when you first grab onto a weight, I want you to hold the weight at the bottom. Okay, so if you're using a dumbbell, hold the dumbbell at the end. You're going to start with that dumbbell facing straight up toward the ceiling. And the first motion, like I said, is called supination, which is turning your hand or your palm up. All right, and so it just looks like that. The second exercise is pronation, and it's turning the palm down. So when you use a weight, I do want you to control that weight. So don't just let it drop. That's going to be uncomfortable. All right, and I want you to go one direction. So go into pronation for 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions, and then supination or palm up 3 sets of 12 to 15 repetitions. For all these exercises, remember you can rest 10 to 20 seconds in between each set. You're just going to do those 1 time per day, but I want you to try to do them 5 to 6 times a week. So for pronation and supination, you can also, if you don't have a dumbbell, you can also use a hammer. A hammer comes in real handy for these exercises. So again, that same position, and it's just turning your palm up and turning your palm or hand down. This is always your starting position with the weight or the hammer facing straight up toward the ceiling. Alright, let me also show you that with a can of beans. So if you don't have dumbbells, you don't have a hammer, you can also do that just with a can of beans. And looks like that, palm up and palm down. So in this phase, I want you to use some kind of weight. I also want to show you with a TheraBand in case you have purchased the TheraBands and you have those to work with. So I'm going to put that TheraBand, one end of the TheraBand under my foot, and the other I'm going to hold in my hand. Now for pronation or turning your palm down, you need that band to be on the back side of your hand. So you'll pull on that band, wrap it along the back side of your hand and hold on to it in the palm. And the exercise then just looks like that, turning that palm down. For supination, you actually want to grab the band on the inside of your palm. All right, so on the inside of your hand like we'd normally grab onto it. And you're going to turn that up in that direction. My upper arm and my forearm isn't moving, it's just my wrist and forearm that are moving or turning. So that's it for pronation and supination, or turning the palm up, turning the palm down. 3 sets of 15 repetitions or 12 to 15 repetitions with whatever device that you're using for these exercises.